We're going to learn how to do a basic search with the OneSearch system. First, I'm going to stick in a phrase. In this case, it's a battle from the Civil War, and I'll hit enter. As you can see, a whole list of options now pop up. So that was my first basic search. But if you go back and I type it in again, you'll notice how there pops up San Jose State Collections, California State University Collections, and or articles. So you can choose which collection you want to search. For this, I'm going to choose San Jose State Collections. Now say I want to specify a little bit more than what I've done. I can use the AND Civil War, hit enter, and as you can see, I have more results than I did before. Not only that, the results changed. Now if I would like to add a different phrase like or, it'll find me articles that have Antietam or the Civil War in them when I hit enter. You'll notice that my search results went from 6,000 to 2.1 million results for full text online. So obviously that expanded our results. Now if I do Antietam and not Civil War and hit enter, my results go down to 6,715. So you can see that when you use and or not phrases in the search, it can limit it, expand it, or tighten it, depending on your needs. So while using the OneSearch, it is imperative that in a basic search that you use those in order to start to filter out your results.